Before we get into today's video, a few new things in the garage. So Austin got a perm, we got a few new lights, and the GTR is getting new injectors that we got in the box here. So right now in the car, I have 600cc injectors, and I'm putting back the stock injectors, and you might be wondering why. Well, gas in Vancouver is really bad right now. This car is pretty stock. There's nothing modified except for the exhaust, coils, and wheels. And so just running injectors on a stock ECU is just killing my fuel mileage. So I ordered some stock injectors from the Skyline Owners Forum. Austin has some notes for us. So what's the first step?
All right. Open gas tank.
That's all you have? Yep. Wrong side.
Where's the...
I'll let you figure it out. There we go.
Oh. There we go.
The reason why we open the fuel cap is to get rid of all the pressure in the system. So let's finish that now. Hopefully today goes pretty smooth, but we have no clue what we're doing, so let's see how it goes.
Is this the right one?
Yeah, you're good. First step, we gotta pop these pins out, and I got this little picker tool thing we can use. So let's see, looks like they're right here. We just gotta make sure we don't drop them. There's one.
How many is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, and I was missing one, so it was last one.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm in pre-calc. Let's try something. I don't know where the... I keep forgetting which is which in this drawer. Is there like a pair of needle nose pliers somewhere, or? Oh, there we go. Pull out the pin. Don't drop it. Oh, genius. Okay, so what's next on the notes? Nice. So all these are coming off.
Those look like they come off too easy.
Well, the pin holds them in.
I don't know.
What do you think I was just doing for the... I gotta take off the fuel rail, so gotta find out what size this is, and I'm pretty sure there's 2 of them. Yep, so there's one here and one there, and then I just pull it back, and then I think I can pull the injectors out. There should be some fuel.
That's a 14 millimeter. 15.
You're guessing 15? Does it say?
No, I'm just guessing.
Oh, okay. Your guess is 15?
Yeah. Yep. What's your guess?
13.
13.
Let's try your guess first. Let's see. So we got the 15 here. Oh, a little too big. Try my 13. It might be a 12.
Oh, damn.
Oh yeah, 12, we're both wrong. These are out, these are out. The one back here is not out. We have the fuel rail off. Now I just gotta pop off each of the injectors and make sure the ones that I'm putting in have all the little seals. So let's see if we can just pop this out here. It should just pop out, or maybe not. Time to watch some YouTube videos.
Okay.
Let's just take these little Phillips screws out. It's a clamp, so that should be honestly loose enough. Just a little bit, right? And then there we go. Oh, little fuel leaking. That's okay. Perfect. So we can, I think that's loose now, so we can pull that out and take off the injectors and then put the stock ones back in. Here we go.
There we go.
The fuel rail with the crusty injectors on there. So let's swap them out and put the stock injectors on and put it back in the car.
Go.
Okay, so we finally got all the injectors off of the fuel rail. So if you watched the last video, we used this Autosol metal polish to polish the oil cap and the radiator. And we're gonna do the same thing with the fuel rail. So as you can see, it's pretty crusty, probably really old, and yeah, I don't even know, it's all bent. So we're gonna polish it and make it look the best it can before I get another one. So let's see. So here's a little before shot. I just did this little spot here and it's already looking pretty good. So maybe with some more pressure and should be pretty shiny. Just probably add some more. I don't want to use too much, but just that's probably good for, might be a little too much there. I think that might be the best that we're gonna get. Okay, so we got the new injectors, well, old, but new to me, on the fuel rail. The old ones are out on the floor there, and we're gonna try to install this back into the car. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully it's not a nightmare. All right, so moment of truth. Prime the system.
Oh, it's leaking.
Ready to neutral. It's leaking. It's not good. Okay, so we have a leak on injector number 1 and 2. We gotta take out the fuel rail again and fix the, I guess, switch out the O-rings from the other injectors and try again, but it's not something I wanted to do. So we got some more work ahead of us. Let's get to it. was dark back there before. It's white. It's running cleaner now. I literally had black smoke coming out. Oh shit. Now that's how your car's running cleaner now. That's go Earth. Sounds like a trumpet.
Highway ready?
Possibly. She's doing pretty good though. It's not sputtering when I'm in low RPM. Oh yeah, she's driving nice right now. Nice and smooth. So I think now we just go back to the garage and see like if there's any little leaks or anything, and just make sure everything's okay before we take it somewhere far. I don't know if you can hear me right now because it's so loud, but we're pretty dry here, and as we started driving the car harder, it ran pretty smooth, so I think we're pretty good for now. So, there we go. Okay, so we've been driving the car a decent amount and it's perfect, it's normal. My RPM's dropped a little bit too, so that's pretty good. We're on a little cruise now with a few buddies of ours, and we're gonna go get some Krispy Kreme. Here, the GTR, and
Evo 9. The Evo?
Evo 9.
Buddy's Evo?
Evo. So we're getting donuts now at Krispy Kreme to end the night off. Great success. Little Borat reference. Yeah, on the way here, nothing. Everything, car's driving normal, and I'm safe to say that we did a pretty good job today.
Yeah.
Despite a little fuel leak, not bad, not bad. So, let's go get some donuts now.
Sanitize. Oh. There we go. Aaron, you have to sanitize.
Oh, we good.
Okay.
They're gonna kick us out, man.
Can I get 3 apple fritter? Go. Secured the bag. We all got a dozen each?
Yes, sir.
Go. Haven't had crispy in a while.
There's a Type R beside you.
Oh, really?
Oh, nice Type R.
Oh. We got the Evo, the GTR, and the Type R. That's actually my car.
That's a clean.
Which one's that one? Oh, which
Yeah,
one?
it is.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah. Getting him on the Krispy Kreme.
Okay. So we come here every single week.
Yeah, catch us in the parking lot.
Well,
Let's
we're gonna head her back.
yeah, get some rollers maybe. Let's do it.
Montage time.
No, I don't think so.
What about money?
We gotta address one more thing. So, why don't you tell the viewers about what happened to your car recently? In front of your house.
Oh. My car got broken into.
What did they take?
Oh, they took my shirt collar off. Wait, where is yours up? Oh,
Exactly.
you took yours off.
This is for
Wait.
helping me out with my videos. It's all yours, man. I mean, you might not want to put it back on because somebody might break into your car and steal it again, but you know, I know you're looking for one, so
you're not a car.
put it on a backpack or something.
Yeah.
Anyway.
That's cool.
I just wanted to say thanks for helping me with the videos though.
Alright. Thanks, man.
Alright, we're gonna end it here.
Appreciate it.
So we got new injectors on the GTR. I'm gonna keep the other ones safe just in case if I want to run more power in the future. But I'm pretty happy with the stock ones right now. I took it for a rip and around 4 grand, it would gain more power. So I guess it's running leaner now. And we can install that right now if you want.
Yeah, no.
Got a screwdriver. All right. Peace.
Peace.
Do you think looks are important?